week out of town Monday through Friday. I did put my store on a vacation hold on Mercari and Amazon for the first few days, and then I extended my handling time on eBay. By Friday I had all of this to ship. So my store did remain open. I just extended the handling time, and sprinkled in here there is a Mercari sale, a couple Facebook sales, and several Poshmark sales. So let's get to it. This is a pair of fresh produce capri pants. They sold on eBay. I paid $3.50 for. They sold for $27.73 plus $7 shipping. So my profit, $22.04. This Columbia coat had a few flaws with it. It was missing the hood, and then it has a double zipper closure. The outside zipper is broken, which I disclosed. It's still sold on eBay for $29.92 plus $14 shipping. So the buyer was $43.92 all in. I paid $2 for this at a garage sale. So my profit, $24.87. This is another eBay sale, a pair of Levi 501 jeans. I paid $1 for this at a thrift store. The buyer sent me an offer of $23.50 plus $12 shipping, so they were $35.50 all in. My profit, $22.13. This is another eBay sale. These are BKE buckle jeans. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. The buyer sent me an offer of $25 plus $9 shipping. Now I have sold BKE buckle jeans for more than $25 in the past, but this was a quick flip, so I accepted the offer. My profit on this, $25.33. So I did make a few extra dollars on the shipping. This item also sold on Facebook, a pair of silver capri denim jeans. I paid $4.25 for these. The buyer sent me an offer of $25 plus $12 shipping, which I accepted. So they were $37 all in. My profit on these, $32.19. Here's another eBay sale. This is a new with tag Vanity Fair bra. I paid $2 for this. The buyer sent me an offer of $17.01 plus $6 shipping. So my profit, $14.46. And here's another eBay sale. These are two fresh produce capri pants. I stumbled upon several fresh produce clothing items at Goodwill last week, so I pretty much bought them all. There's out of this whole lot, 3 of these are from that fresh produce lot. So this was for 2 pair of fresh produce jeans. This was for 2 pair of fresh produce capri pants. I paid $7 together for them. They sold for $32.23 plus $10 shipping, so the buyer was $42.23 all in. My profit, $23.76. Okay, so I had to let the dog in, and I'm back. So this is a pair of Victoria's Secret capri pants. I paid $3.50 for these. The buyer accepted my offer of $27.92. If you're new to my channel, I will send offers to watchers and put a .92 on the end. So in my mind, I know that was an offer to watcher. They paid $7 shipping. They were $34.92 all in, so my profit $22.20. This is a pair of Travis Matthew golf shorts. This is a pair of Travis Matthew golf pants. I paid $6 for these at a garage sale. They were listed new without tags. The buyer accepted my offer of $39.92 plus $9 shipping. My profit, $28.80. And I think that does it for the eBay sales. So let's go to this. That does it for the eBay sales. So here is a pair of Keen sandals. I paid $5 for these at Goodwill. They still have the $5 on them, so I'm going to try to get that off. The buyer paid full price of $40 plus $9 shipping. As you may or may not know, the fees on Facebook are cheapest of all, so my profit on this, $32.34. And here's a pair of Vygoss women's jeans. I paid $4.25 for these. They sold for $33. So my profit, $20.65. This pair of American Eagle shorts sold on Poshmark for $20. They were new with tags, so I thought they'd go for a little bit more money. But they've been in my closet for quite some time. I paid $3.50 for these, so my profit, $12.50. And back there is a pair of girls' Miss Me jeans, size 7. I paid $3.25 for these. They sold for $22 on Poshmark, so my profit, $12.85. Here's another pair of silver jeans. Pioneer is this style. I paid $4.25 for these. They sold for $40. They sold for $40 on Poshmark, so my profit, $27.75. These doilies sold on Facebook. I paid 50 cents for these at a garage sale last weekend. They sold for $16 plus $5.50 shipping. So my profit, $14.35. This new with tag stocking cap sold on Poshmark for $17. I paid $3 for this at Goodwill, so my profit, $10.60. And the one mercari sale, a pair of Gloria Vanderbilt capri jeans. I paid $3.50 for these. I accepted an offer of $23, which is kind of low for new with tag Gloria Vanderbilt, but like the fresh produce, I did pick up quite a few of these new with tags. So I was happy to see it go and gladly accepted that offer. So my profit, like the fresh produce pants, I did pick up several new with tag Gloria Vanderbilt, so I have several pair of these, just different styles. Trying to recoup some of my cost, I accepted the $23 offer. I paid $3.50 for this, so my profit, $16.73. And that is a shirt and capri pants set, new with tag fresh produce. I paid $7 for both pieces. It sold for $44. So my profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $26.70. And then this box here is a remote control truck that I paid $5 for at Goodwill. I have a video on YouTube of it in action. And in that box right there is a remote controlled Traxxas truck. I will put a picture of it on the screen. I paid $5 for this at Goodwill. I had it listed high at $249 plus shipping. I did receive several lowball offers, about half that price, but the buyer sent me an offer of $200 plus $50 shipping, which I accepted. I will ship this UPS, paying $29.61 in shipping, so my profit $182.89. So I'm going to get all this packed up and drop it off at the post office before they close tomorrow at noon. Okay, so it's Saturday morning. I have 3 more items that have been paid for. They did sell while on vacation, so I will include them in this video. This is a Charlotte Russe top. It was my daughter's, so the cost is $0. It sold for $9 on Poshmark. My profit, $6.05. This is a pair of Active USA new with tag size 3XL pants. I've had these listed on Amazon for quite some time. I did send all my inventory back so I can sell it as merchant and not pay the storage fee on Amazon. These finally sold on Poshmark for $20. My cost $1.50, so my profit $11.25. And then this pair of Vagos Capri jeans, I paid $4.25 for. They sold with an offer to watcher of $32.92 plus 10 shipping on eBay. So my profit $25.33. So I'm going to get these 3 packaged up today with the help of my assistant Ginger and put them with the rest of the pile. And I'll take them into the post office later today.